Well, everybody in this room.
When it comes to my son, I don't fuck around. Come on, baby.
No, wait. Okay? So, that's what they were.
Sige.
You look about as nervous as I feel, so I figured it must be you. I made a bet with myself over whether or not you make it, and looks like I lost. Or won. I hope you're not disappointed that I don't look like a chair.
No. You look great.
No.
But I can see you.
Yes, my lady. Sige. Every night. Here.
Ay, nag-vlog.
If you would call, because your voice is...
Hello po.
This is me.
Hi.
Sounds life.
Hello po sa vlog ni
Well, I haven't made much
Baby
progress
Ice.
on my book since last we spoke.
Ano yung kinakain mo? Champurado. Sabihin mo dun sa vlog mo.
I only got halfway through going, girl.
Get one.
It's good. I just got really busy.
But the reason why I haven't been able to focus on writing my shaker book is because I've just been so damn nervous about today.
Me too.
I mean, this last year talking to you,
Okay ka.
one of the most wonderful, intense, life-changing experiences I've ever had. We shared so many details about ourselves, things I've never even told anybody. And I needed this to be real. It is real, right?
Yes, it is real. It is totally real.
Eso.
It's good to finally see your face, Kathy.
There's something really important I need to tell you.
Yeah?
I changed myself for my life.
Where are you going?
Get on the pizza. I've got it right to you.
Ugh, no fucking chocolate.
Oh, this is supposed to be amazing, right? Shaker furniture is so hot right now. Do you mind if I borrow it? It's Lewis.
Why is that asshole calling so late?
I bet it's important.
You're so fucking interested in it. You answer it.
Hi, Lewis.
So the Today Show wants a
Oh, I
one-on-one
saw.
interview.
Okay.
Warrior Water, which is this new water that I guess wants to fight other waters, has offered you a bunch of money just to drink the water.
Ay, mamatay yan kasi ganito. Ayan.